Hello everyone, stay relaxed because every tip I'm going to share in this video has been tested by the mechanics here in the workshop. I've been talking with clients and discussing it with our workshop technicians to bring you the clearest explanation of the no accessory camera found issue in Chevrolet and GMC vehicles. This problem shows up when the system can't detect an external camera, like a trailer camera or an additional accessory camera, so it stops displaying an image on the screen. Some clients have told us, I connected everything properly, but the screen wasn't showing anything, which turns out to be more common than you'd think. After reviewing several cases in the workshop, we noticed that many times it all points to loose or dirty connections. One client said, I moved the trailer connector and the image came back like nothing happened. Here, technicians always say, if the signal isn't clean, the system simply won't recognize the camera, so checking and cleaning the connectors can save you a lot of time. In other situations, the issue comes down to camera compatibility. Some clients installed aftermarket cameras and later said it never detected it from day one. The reason is that these systems are designed to work with specific protocols, and not all external cameras communicate properly with the vehicle. As we say in the workshop, it's not just plug and play, it has to be compatible. We've also seen cases where the problem comes from the vehicle's electronic system. One technician explained, we reset the system or updated the software and the camera showed up again. This happens because the infotainment module can sometimes lose communication with accessories and needs a reset to recognize them properly again. There are also situations where the issue is physical, like damaged wiring or a faulty camera. One client told us, after checking everything, the camera itself was bad and had to be replaced. In these cases, it's no longer a configuration issue but a direct repair or replacement of the component.